Good morning everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Ang sarap ng tulog ko kagabi because my hubby didn't snore. So today's video, I'm gonna share you kung paano hindi nag-snore si hubby last night. So keep watching.
Okay, getting ready to go to sleep. Got my secret snore stop strip on. One of these Chinese pore strip thingies you pull off and it gets rid of pores and blackheads on your blackheads on your nose. Helps me not snore so my wife can sleep. They work good. Sometimes they get a little itchy, but you guys try them out. Get them on eBay. 48 of them for $10. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks. They work really well.